Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we will use a PE film with a thickness of 0.005 mm to package EPS graphite board as an example for the first trial. Let's watch the complete process. It took about 27 seconds in total. Let's test the packaging result by shaking it, and you can see that the seams on the top and bottom are relatively smooth, while the sides are slightly loose. Because this is a trial video, the speed has not been adjusted yet. The normal production speed is about 18-20 seconds. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.